guys, what is going on? Welcome to another video, guys. If you are new, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, make sure you hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video, y'all. Happy freaking May, y'all. Happy May, y'all. Happy new month, guys. I'm just super excited. It's just something shifts when it's a new month. Like, it's May and it's like it's a new month, so I feel a shift coming on, guys. So listen, it is May, it is a new month, and it's still time for you guys to learn a new skill. It is still time for you guys to definitely get down with TLC, guys, because a shift is happening, guys. I am about to, go on the biggest 90-day run of my life, guys. Like, seriously, all things aside, like this 90-day run, I'm going to be, really focusing on ways to grow my business, ways to grow myself, ways to grow my team, things I need to do differently to become a better person, y'all, because the truth is I am already the first millionaire in my family, guys. Time just not have caught up yet. You know what I mean? So I am going on a 90-day run, guys, and I am looking for serious people who really want to go on this run with me. My team is with me, my family is with me, and I want to help some more people along my 90-day run journey. So you probably asking, like, what is this 90-day run? This 90-day run is going to consist of me really getting in tune with myself, really pinpointing, whatever it is that I need to pinpoint to help grow myself as a leader, as a mom, as a business partner, as a friend. You know what I mean? So this is going to be a really, really intense 90-day run, guys. And I'm looking to help, some serious men and women get started, guys. It is May freaking... Well, today's the 4th, but it's a new month. It is May, guys. There is no time. There's no room for mediocre, behavior, mediocre thoughts. And it's time to really make some real life decisions, guys. We brought in over 100,000 people here within 90 days, y'all. 100,000 people in 90 days. That is just like, it's tremendous. It's awesome and amazing. That just goes to show that there are a lot of people who still don't know about TLC, guys. 100K people in 90 days. That means 100K people who changed their life, who started their home-based business, who took charge on their health, guys, who invested in their health. You know what I mean? So it's just a lot that comes with that. It's just so super exciting because these 100K people join my company, TLC, the company I am a part of, okay? And I feel glad to be a part of a strong company as awesome as TLC, guys. And why shouldn't you? You should be a part of this energy. You should be part of this vibe. You should be a part of this momentum, guys. There's no time to wait. It was a beautiful day today. It was a beautiful weekend, y'all. Summertime is coming, y'all. So I know you guys got goals and dreams, things you want to do, and you may not be able to do them if you are not in position to win, guys. I know the pandemic is going on, social distancing, all that great stuff. But at the same time, what about you in your home? Over 20-40 million people lost their jobs, guys, and are applying for unemployment. As far as unemployment goes, they're claiming there's not enough unemployment to go out. But guys, money is being printed every single day, guys. There is no shortage of money, and there definitely is no shortage of people, guys. So don't think that you cannot do this. Don't think that you won't find anybody or you can't help anybody, guys. It all starts in your mind, guys. We brought in over 100,000 people in 90 days, guys. So will you be one of them? I'm going on a 90-day run, me, my family, and my team, and we are going to kill it in 90 days. So I'm talking 90 days transformation. My goal is to lose another 30 pounds by June 1st. You know what I mean? My goal is to help, 20 people a month get started with me in TLC. You know what I mean? My goal is to help 20 people a month make an extra $100 a day. You know what I mean? $500 a week. You know what I mean? So I have big goals and dreams coming up in these next 90 days, guys, and I want you guys to be a part of it. I kind of feel like I've been chilling a little bit. I haven't made a video in a while. Not a while, like 3 days. Still feels like a while. But I just said, let me just take a little relax. This weekend I relaxed. I didn't really do too much work. Today I kind of chilled, but it is game time, guys. There's nothing wrong with taking a little breather, a little pause. But when you become an entrepreneur and you work from home, you're always going to be in work mode because you always got people who are going to want product, want to get down with you, want to speak with you, you know what I mean? So this is not a time to waste, y'all. Seriously, Summertime is around the corner. And I know you guys want to be snatched. I know you guys want to be healthy. And I know you guys want to be wealthy. Or maybe you just want to build you another stream of income, guys. Get started today with TLC. I don't care if you just want to be a customer. You are still a part of TLC once you become a customer. Why? Because you're going to like the products. You're going to like the NutriBurst. You're going to like the Detox Tea. And eventually you might want to get down and start making money yourself. You know what I mean? By helping other people feel as good as you felt. So don't take this lightly, guys. It is a shift coming. It is a new month. You know what I mean? That means new goals, new dreams, new energies, new people, new vibes. You need to get your goals in order. Write down your goals as far as what do you want to do. Where do you see yourself in the next year? Hell, where do you see yourself in the next month, guys? It is really time for us to stop doing the same things over and over and over. Insanity. You know what I think is like we are also caught up in our comfort zone. Guys, there is nothing sitting in your comfort zone but fear and you know, discouragement and things like that. Guys, you need to step out of your comfort zone and try something different. A lot of you guys prayed and hoped and wished that your job would, you know, give you a break, or your job will fire you, or you get to take a break from work and everything else. You take a standstill, you know, get paid while you're home. You know, everybody prayed for that. And now guess what? You got it. We are now in a pandemic. We are on quarantine. And there's no better time than now to figure out what it is that you want. Where do you see yourself in life? What is your dreams? Like, what do you want? You know what I mean? You guys, that's something you guys really got to figure it out. There's something I still got to figure out. You know what I mean? Of course, I know what I want, but I got to get more clear in my vision because I see so many things. My mind be all over the place. I got to be like, hold on, just chill. You know what I mean? So write down your vision and make it plain. Let yourself know what you want so you can literally see it. Like, y'all know my vision board is on my wall. I'm on the other side now, but make the vision plain, write it down so you can see it, guys, and then act on it. Like I said, even if you don't want to join TLC, fine, but you need to do something because a lot of these jobs may not be coming back once the world opens up again or once we get off quarantine. So you need to be protected. You need to have you a plan B, like seriously. And right now, TLC is it. TLC is booming. TLC is changing lives, and TLC is in momentum. So literally, timing and position is truly everything. I get people reaching out to me saying they want to do this, they want to do that, but I mean, it's all talk. You know, it's all talk. When are you going to take action? You know what I mean? If money's an issue, I mean, everybody got a stimulus check. You need to take some of your stimulus check and invest in you. Don't worry about shopping online, buying TVs and clothes. Don't buy no clothes at all. You ain't got nowhere to go. You know what I mean? So there's really no excuse when it comes to you really wanting something badly or when you really want change, guys. Change starts for me today. Like, I wrote my list down on things I'm going to work on this week. And my change starts today. Like, I really want change in my life. I want change in my health and my wealth. So I'm going to push harder for these next 90 days. And my question to you is, are you ready to rock? Like, seriously, there's really no excuse as to why us as grown adults cannot live the lifestyle that we want. You know what I mean? Like I said, life is more than just working and paying bills, y'all. We were meant to live in our purpose. We were meant to do other things, be fruitful and multiply. Not just children, just in your mind and yourself. You know what I mean? I learned a new skill online, and I was able to earn income online from home. So I want to teach other people to do the same exact thing, okay? So being fruitful and multiply. I want to show you, you know, share with you all what I know. You know what I mean? I'm still learning and growing as I go. So that's why I always say, if you are coachable, if you are teachable, if you're willing to learn as you go, you can definitely do this business, guys. There's people who don't even know what network marketing is, never did it a day in their life, and they get in this game and they are killing it. They are killing it, especially here with TLC, y'all. So listen. Yes, we have awesome and amazing products, y'all. Yes, we do, guys, but literally, we are more than just tea. Okay? We are more than just NutriBurst and NRG. We are really an energy. We are a family. We are really changing lives out this. What I really want to say, okay? We are truly changing lives, and it's just amazing because I'm just so happy and grateful that I get to be a part of that. I get to be a part of this history in the making, y'all. TLC is literally breaking records, making history, getting so much attention. It's like thousands and millions of people still don't know about TLC. So it's my job, our job, once you say yes and get started, to share TLC with everyone. You know, everyone needs to know about TLC. Everyone needs to know how awesome and amazing Jack Fallon is, who created this vision. He had a vision, you know what I mean, to get products that work out to people. And NutriBurst was his first product that him and his best friend, Mr. Jack Fallon and John Licari, they created in his basement. And now it is a hit. It's all over the world. I'm sure you've seen this bottle all over the internet. We got the Detox Tea. We got a whole bunch of products, guys. But listen, the point is to get started. First of all, you need to get started because you need to be healthy. I don't care how much money you make. If you're not healthy and you don't feel good, you can't enjoy your money. So first thing first is invest in your health, guys. Stop putting your health on a budget. It should never be no budget on you taking care of your health as something that's going into your body that's going to benefit you, okay? So for starters, you need to take care of your health. And secondly, take care of your wealth and your mind, guys. Once you get started with TLC, we have training. I have a group. I'll plug you into everything that you need to know. You just need to take it upon yourself as your new business. You are a new business owner to really go through everything that is being given to you. Because trust me, 9 times out of 10, all the questions that you think you have, that you're ready to ask, those questions are going to be answered in those trainings. So you need to make sure you stay plugged in. You know what I mean? Learn your business. Learn what it is that you're about to do. Just like you sign up for a job. You apply to go work at Target, you got to read the job description to figure out what it is I'm going to be doing, right? So do the same thing for your business. Go through TLC. Go through all the training that I send you so you know exactly what you need to do. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you're in business for yourself but not by yourself. You know what I mean? People are not in here to hold your hand through every step. Yes, we're here to guide you, show you the way, but this is your business, so you need to act like it, and be grown about it. You know what I mean? Because if I decide to quit today and you have dreams and goals in the future and a family feed, just because I left, that don't mean you got to stop promoting and leave. No, this is your business, so you do your thing, okay? Run it like a business. So I just want to put that out there because a lot of people think that when you get started with any business or MLM that your success lies in the hands of the person who brought you in. No. Their job is to show you the vehicle. I showed you the vehicle. This is what this vehicle did for me. But now it's up to you to take this vehicle and turn it into your own. Get creative and turn it into your own. You know what I mean? So yes, get started with TLC. Get your CBD tea, your NutriBurst. You know what I mean? It's $50 to get started. Get your starter kit. You get your free website. You get some business tools. And you're ready to go, guys. So take advantage of this opportunity, y'all. Work your business like it is your business. Like I said, you are in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So when you get started, yes, you have great support. You have a team. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. If you ain't doing no work, you ain't getting no money. What you put in is what you get out. So I just wanted to be honest with y'all. Yes, you can make great money here. And let me just be clear. We don't make no income claims. We don't make any medical claims. But TLC can open so many doors for you. You just have to put the work in. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say, like, oh, everything's going to be easy, peaches and cream, because if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But I tell you, it's going to be worth it. And honestly, you don't really have to do much hard work. You just got to be yourself and share your story. That's pretty much what it is, sharing your story, okay? So happy May, guys. This is a great, great time to start something new at the beginning of a new month because it's one, I feel like it's easier for you to keep track. And two, it is a new beginning. This just goes to show you that you're still here for a reason, guys. We all have a purpose here on this earth. You just have to figure it out. Everybody needs money. I don't care what nobody say. You need to change your relationship on money. People think, oh, if you want a lot of money, you greedy or you cocky or conceited. No, we need money, okay? Money is how we function on things. It's the love of money that makes that person, I guess, do crazy things with it. But listen, we all need money to function, and I ain't gonna hold you. Yes, I'm doing this to make money, of course, but definitely I'm doing it to better my health. And at the same time, I see this working for me, so I'm going to help the next person. I'm going to help the next person, help the next person. So, you know what I mean? And that's also what I love about TLC is about helping each other. It's about a teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work, literally, okay? So if you're ready to be a part of the team, guys, if you're ready to take your life and your health serious to another level, guys, join me on this 90-day run. Join me on this 90-day run, and let's work, y'all. Get started with TLC today. You know what I mean? Invest in you. Invest in your business. Like I said, all you need to do is get your business starter kit, which is $49.95, and get you some, some tea. Get you some tea and some NutriBurst, because you need both. You got to detox, first of all, because you got to see what the product do for you. And you gotta get your liquid vitamin. So get your detox tea and get your NutriBurst and start your business tonight, guys. There's really nothing else to talk about. There's no reason to wait. Like, why are you waiting? You know what I mean? You do not want to be the person to say, I shoulda, coulda, woulda, and it's gonna be like too late. You know what I mean? So don't wait. Put your health first. Put you first. You know what I mean? And get started today with TLC. Join this momentum. Join, you know, this energy. Is such a great vibe and energy. Like, if I wasn't with TLC, I don't know what I'd be doing. Honestly, like, maybe I'd be doing something else. Who knows? But I'm just glad it was TLC because it's just overall amazing, guys. So listen, get started today. Start your home-based business today. You know, online sales are booming. Don't be worried about, oh, not making a sale, not doing nothing. Listen, there's millions of people online every day. You can do this, okay? You can do this. So let's work, y'all. Click the link down below to get started. And if you solely just want to become a customer, which is fine, you just want to get the products, hey, go get the NutriBurst, get the tea, then you can also do that as well, guys. I don't know if you can tell, I'm a little tired. You know, I took my I had eyelashes on, took those off. And I had some eyeliner. I took that off too. So I'm like, I just want to get this video out to you guys to let you guys know now is the time. It is time for a shift. It is no more time for excuses. There's no more time for waiting. There's no more time for procrastination. And it's definitely no more time for fear. Get that fear out, guys. That fear is holding you back. What are you afraid of? You literally have nothing to lose, guys. The world is in a freaking pandemic. We're all home. You know what I mean? Our freedom is being stripped from us. You know what I mean? So take your freedom back by starting your home-based business, securing your bag for you and your family, because you don't know what is going to happen. This world is going to be different, and you may not be getting your job back. Like, to be honest with you, you may not be getting your job back. Who knows? And if you do, kudos to you, but still start your home-based business because you don't want this to happen again. And your family, you know, and it lies in the hands of your boss. You know what I mean? Because you can't go to work because the boss said, oh, we closed. You know what I mean? Don't give your boss the power to feed your family and not feed your family. That's not a good feeling. You know what I mean? So, I am done ranting. So, with that being said, get started today. Let's work. Let's lock arms, guys, and let's get this show on the road. Happy May, happy new month. I hope you guys set your goals. And I'm excited for you because I'm excited for me, y'all. This 90-day run is going to be epic. And I want you guys to be a part of it. So, see you guys later.